Hello and welcome back, guys. Today is the last day of 7 rules for excellent English speaking. The last rule is use, listen and answer stories and learn how to think in English. One of the main problems in schools is that most of the students learn English through translation. You might learn English probably from a teacher who spoke your own language. So when you're studying English by translating to your language, when you study vocabulary, you would memorize the meaning in your language by translation. You learned lots of grammar rules, so that makes you think all the time about English. When you want to speak, when you should be speaking easily without thinking, instead you're thinking about grammar, you're thinking about vocabulary. All these are happening, and that is why your speaking is not great. But this really is the best way to improve your speaking skills, so that you can teach yourself again. You will learn how to think in English. The powerful way to do this is to use, listen and answer stories. So what is this? This is a very special way to learn English. In this method, your teacher or your partner should tell a story and ask some very easy questions. When the teacher uses this method or this technique, it teaches your brain to begin thinking in English, and also it teaches you understand and speak faster and faster without translating, without thinking about anything. So how does it work? As I mentioned, the teachers or your partner should ask many simple and easy questions during this story, and you should respond quickly. This is how this method works. And this is the most important part of this method, that the teachers tell something funny and crazy because they are easy to remember. If the teachers tell a boring story, you might forget it. If the story is funny, crazy and strange, you'll remember the story. You'll remember the grammar and vocabulary in that story. The questions should be simple and easy, so students understand fast and respond immediately. This is the rule number 7, listen and answer stories. Have a nice time. Goodbye.